Traders, looking at the pound Swiss, I've got it open on the daily time frame. This is currently running bullish. We can see that clearly. This is trending. My target is these highs over here on the left. Target 1, well, target 2. We'll probably find another target on the 4-hour. Go down to the lower time frame. Yeah, okay, so we've got a target area. We could pick up these highs here. All right, so 3 targets. We have this price action currently swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Okay, higher highs, higher lows. And to get involved with this, I would be looking at, well, pull a fib retrace. You know, we've got this red candle right here. You can just mark that up as a what's that, 4-hour time frame. I'll just mark that up on the 4H. Adjust that, 4-hour. Okay, support zone, because we've got this other support zone above it as well on the 4H, you know, and this has picked up quite a bit of momentum. Yeah, so, you know, I mean, look, you could go tighter with it and run your fib from this low to the high, and possible opportunity would be back around down in the fib levels around these highs over here, something like that. Target, well, stop loss, you know, you never know how aggressive they'll get, and I'm talking smart money here, with these stop runs. That's a pretty tight setup. Well, 4-hour chart, I mean, you know, 2.5R, but you just want to be a little bit careful. I've been using this tool here. I've mentioned this in a couple of other videos. When it gets stretched out, in fact, we'll go down to a 1-hour. When this price action gets overextended, have a look at it on the 1H. Always expect a pullback into the, I mean, look, we've pulled right out into this third deviation on the anchored VWAP. And, you know, every time you see price over expanding like this, expect some kind of retrace. And that coincides with my Fibonacci. So if we pick up this path tool, low, high, retrace. Okay, so that could be a thing. Something like that. Okay, so I've got a 2.5R. Yeah, look, the retrace could even be deeper. Now, the thing we have with this as well is this imbalance right here. In fact, there's a couple that we need to be mindful of. Let's just take the anchored VWAP off. All right, 1-hour time frame. Okay, we've got this bullish imbalance, this one-sided trading through here. Right, so I would expect this to trade back through, looking to rebalance. But if you look down here, we also have this candle, this green candle here. Pick up the high on the left, low on the right, pull it through, and that is a imbalance on the 1H. So good to mark these up on the chart. Market will always look for liquidity, and it'll look to rebalance. So you might have to consider possibly, look, stop loss. Well, you know, there's an imbalance there, and so we also have on the 1-hour time frame, we've got this bullish order block right there. Okay, so imbalance, bullish order block. You know, you could place your stop loss at the base of this red candle back in here. Just give it a little bit more room to breathe, but you're going to compromise your R factor if you do that. That's the only thing. So be it. I think that's my take on pound Swissy. You know, if you have any thoughts on this, definitely comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And, you know, there's a setup. If we get the pullback, that would be interesting. Something like that. Okay, 1-hour chart. Yep, that's it, guys. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.